And so far I like the keyboard. It's got a back button. It's got a home button there too. If I click on something, document, go home button, goes to home. Which I like. Let's look at the specs. Okay, it's got a 64 gigabyte of memory. Hold on. And 4 gigabyte memory. Oh, 64 storage and 4 gigabyte memory. It's got a mouse, a USB light. It's got a headphone. Who cares? It's got a micro USB for the keyboard. It's got a USB-C for the tablet. I kind of wish they both have the same one, but hey, can't complain for the price. 120 bucks? Crazy. Okay, let's go home button. I want to check out the camera. It's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. It's got a little menu at the back. You can see it. For recording. I like it. Go back to the home button. Alright, what else? I think that's it. Oh, it's got a mini USB-C type to USB. I'm not sure what it's for, but probably guessing for anything, I guess. Oh, it's got a pen. Stylus pen. Google Doc. Let's type this. Pretty good, pretty good. I did not expect all of these for 120 bucks. This is just crazy. My mom got a Samsung for like 160 from Costco. This is so much better.